Hi guys, today we'll be making a fidget toy, like those mini squishies. So let's do it. For this you'll be needing half of the balloon like this, and fur and some and tape, and also scissors and a black marker if you do have. And now open the balloon, put the fur in. Keep stuffing it. Like this. Now take this part and do it like this. But first you'll be needing the tape for that. I request not little children to do this because there is scissors and they're dangerous for them. So let's just hold this part. This part will be a little hard.